Okay, let's get started in recording your data for our stock market lesson. First thing you need to do is to go to my teacher page at www.ltps.org, and then you're going to scroll down and click on quotes and prices link. This will get you to a website, yahoo.com's finance page, and you're able to see the stock markets here. Okay. When you want to look up a quote, for example, maybe you want to look up Apple, you type in Apple, and you can see what the stock market ticker abbreviation is, and you can go ahead and click on Apple Computer. If you notice, this information here is changing. Once in a while it'll refresh. This is actually live from the stock exchange. It's going on right now, and you can see that Apple Computer is down 4.3 shares today. It is selling at a price of $526.06 per share. Okay, and that is what it's trading at now. Don't be so concerned that it keeps trading. Write down the price per share as you see it at the time that you're writing it down, and write it down in the very first spot on your recording sheet. So what I'd like you to do is write down on this sheet the stock symbol for Apple, as you saw, it would be AAPL. And you're going to write in this column the price that it's trading at the time that you're looking at Yahoo Finance. Now, if you're doing this in the evening, you would notice that the prices aren't changing because the stock market is closed. It closed at 4:30 in the afternoon. It opens at 9:30 when the bells ring, and then it closes at 4:30. So chances are your stock prices will not be fluctuating, changing, going up and down live. What I'd like you to do is write down in the next date and price column what the price was of Apple 5 days ago. So you're going to click down here where it says 5D, and it's going to show you a 5-day snapshot of the stock market and looking at Apple stock. So if we go back and slide our little mouse back, we could see that on April 4th it was selling at $5.38 a share, and you can see that right here. Okay, so you're going to write in the second column $538.41, and that's what it was selling at just 5 days ago. Down here on the bottom, you can also get 1 month, 3 months, year to date. That's what since January 1st. 6 months ago, 1 year ago, 2 years ago, 2 years ago, 5 years ago, and maximum back to when they first started trading Apple stocks on the stock market. Let's take a look at that one. If I click on there, I can see way back to 1980, the Apple Computer price per share was $3.31 per share. Pretty amazing that now it's $525 per share. Can you imagine if you purchased 100 shares of Apple back in 1980? A lot of us are kicking ourselves over that and very upset with ourselves that we didn't do that. Next, I'd like you to examine what the price per share was 6 months ago. So in the third spot for date and price, I'd like you to put the date, which would be down what the price per share was at that particular time. I'd like you to continue recording what the price per share was 5 years ago, and then write down what it was under max in each of the columns. Symbol or company on your sheet is Dell. See what it was trading at 6 months ago. Probably about the same. You can go back and see what it was trading 5 years ago. and you can see when it was at its maximum, okay, or as far back as it can go. Go ahead and complete the chart all the way down. Now let's chart our data in our spreadsheet. Spreadsheets are made up of rows and columns. You can see that the rows are numbered and the columns have letters. In the middle is called a cell. A cell is where we're going to put our data. We're going to start at the top with stock name. Labeled the columns today's price, 6 months, 5 years, and max. And now we're going to go ahead and fill in our data into the cells so we have it all ready for graphing. And then we're going to go ahead and fill in the Dell information. Data. By going over to insert, we can decide what chart we want. Let's try a line chart to compare the two companies. There we go. It looks good.